University of Jammu date sheet of 3-year BA, BSc, BSc Home Science, BCom, BBA, BCA, BA Hindi Honours, English Honours, Political Science Honours, Psychology Honours, BCom Honours, Semester First Examination 2020 to 2021 under Choice Based Credit System CBCS. All the regular and private students of all the colleges of Winter Zone of Jammu University. Hello everybody, this is Danish Rafiq and in this video we'll talk about the date sheet for all the regular and private students of Winter Zone colleges of Jammu University. The timing for all the papers shall be 10 a.m. and first paper shall be conducted on 22nd of January 2021 and it will be History, Psychology and Home Science for Arts, History for BA, English, Political Science and Psychology Honours on 25th of January 2021. It will be Environmental Science for all the streams on 28th of January 2021. It will be Philosophy, Computer Application for Arts, Functions of Indian Democracy for BA, English Honours, Geology, Computer Application, Food Science and Quality Control, Fundamentals of Clothing and Construction and Care. It will be for science including home science group of subjects on 30th of January 2021. It will be education and marketing management for arts, poetry for BA English Honours, botany, physics, basic psychology and fundamentals of human nutrition for science, financial accounting for BCom, financial accounting for BCom Honours, fundamentals of management for BBA, computer applications for BCA. On 2nd of February 2021, it will be sociology, mathematics, English literature, basic management, Hindi literature, library science for arts and sociology for BA English Honours, political science honours and psychology honours, zoology, mathematics, applied mathematics for science including home science, business organization and management for BCom, business organization and management for BCom Honours, statistics for business. It will be for BBA and mathematics for BCA. On 4th of February 2021, it will be geography for geography old and new course for arts and introduction, psychology for BA English Honours, geography, electronics in industrial fish and fisheries, sericulture for science and nothing for BCom, BCom Honours, BBA and BCA. On 6th of February 2021, it will be political science for arts, statistics for arts, Indian music for arts, public administration for arts, political science for BA English, political science and psychology honours, statistics, biotechnology, fundamentals of family and resource management for science. On 8th of February 2021, it will be functional English, Islamic studies for arts, nothing for BA English, political science and psychology honours, chemistry and functional English for home science. On 10th of February 2021, it will be Hindi Sahitya का इतिहास for arts, Western political thought for political science honours. On 12th of February 2021, it will be economics, Sanskrit, Arabic, Persian and Kashmiri for arts, economics for BA English honours and management economics for BBA. On 15th of February 2021, it will be communication English, communication Urdu, communication Hindi, communication Urdu, communication Dogri, communication Punjabi for arts, communication English for BA English honours, communication English, communication Urdu, Hindi, Dogri and Punjabi for science and so on. On 17th of February 2021, it will be general English, modern Indian languages, Hindi, Urdu, Dogri and Punjabi for arts, drama for BCom, BA English honours, general English, modern English and so on for all the streams. On 22nd of February 2021, it will be Adikaleen एवं मध्यकालीन Hindi Kavita for arts, biophysics for BA English honours and nothing for all the streams, physical education for arts also. So this was all about the update for the students of BA, BSc, BCom, BBA, BCA students, first semester students of Jammu University who were waiting for their date sheets, and date sheet has been released by Jammu University today. So here it is. We have given the video. We have uploaded the video regarding the date sheet for the semester first students of Jammu Universities, but all the students, all the private and regular students of winter zone colleges of Jammu University, and if you have got any sort of information from this video, then you should subscribe our YouTube channel, press the bell icon to get the notification whenever we'll upload latest videos. Thank you very much.